All right, here I am in Gaborone, Botswana. This is Airport Junction Mall. I'm going to walk around here, show you what it looks like, but just to give you a clue, there's some lodge hotels there. You have a KFC, you have a Nando's Chicken, which is all over South Africa and Botswana so far. You have a Builders, which if you're in America, that's our version of that would be like Home Depot or Lowe's. And so let's go walk around and see what it looked like here. How's it going, brother? And so the ride from here from Cresta Hotel, it was 80 pulas. So they use pulas here, and real cool. The driver was cool. Okay, real nice mall. Let's start out on the left. So there's like a little playground for the kids over here. Also, they still have Toys R Us and Baby R Us in South Africa and Botswana, so that's cool. So the Woolworths bar. Okay, we won't go there yet. We'll go this side first. Now, just to let you know, they do have all the electronics here in Botswana, so you don't have to think you got to be ordering stuff from the U.S. or bring big TVs here with you if you plan on relocating here. Let's go this way first. So it looks like this mall is an indoor and an outdoor. What we got here? Health generation. Hey, how's it going, boss? How you doing? Can I get a super greens juice? Alright, so here I am. What's the name of this place? I am at Health Generation. So I'm gonna get I'm getting a super green juice here. It got spinach, apples, cucumbers, lemons, celery, and peppers. Okay, so that should be pretty good. It costs $44.50 pulas, which is like roughly like $3.50 US if you're trying to convert it to US dollars. Get that on there. Also, if you're vegan, they have a earth sandwich with avocados, sun-dried tomatoes, lettuce. It does have mozzarella, so I'm assuming if you just tell them no mozzarella, then they'll be vegan for you. So that's an option. And they also have a salad bowl, and I'm sure if you just get it without the dressing and no cheese, it'll be vegan for you also. So even though, let me move so, because they're blending. Even though so far I say Botswana is not a vegan friendly place, and what I mean by vegan friendly meaning you're not going to see that many clearly labeled vegan items. However, you're able to customize. It is a very vegetarian friendly place, so you can change the vegetarian into vegan. Actually, I'm going to cut it off until they're finished, then I'll be back.